Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this travel power strip. It is done by a company called Trond and it is modeled Prime Nano. It's a beautiful little, it is no surge protection power strip. So this is going to be perfect for your cruise ship. So let's go through. You can see that the box is really nicely designed. It has a lot of markings around, but once we open the top, and the components that are inside of it. So the first thing you will get is the little user manual that will call it Travel Power Strip with the USB. And once we open it, it has information on the customer care, which has 30-day money-back guarantee. On top of that, 18 months product warranty. It has the information about the package inclusion, what's inside the box. Also, product diagram, which we will cover in this video. On top of that, technical information, which we also going to cover, product features, and also it talks about frequent asked questions. So this is a really good paper to have handy. And power strip comes inside of a little plastic bag, which looks really good. And then all the information is going to be in here. So you can see that I'm keep flipping and it has some power connections. So here is the plug, how it looks. You can go around. It has 2 USB ports and then you have 3 regular connection. So this way you can connect your chargers to this, or if you have a hair dryer, these will give you the proper voltage. And I will cover the goods and bads about it. You can see that the front do have the regular connection for Canada and United States. This goes from 100 volt to 250 volt. You just need a little plug for it if you want to go overseas, and that way it will get you the proper voltage. I want to mention that this is really compact. Again, it has in total of 1850 watt connection. That means is if you have a certain type of hair dryer that you're going to connect to this that will spark, this is not going to give you any kind of headache. This does not have a power surge protector. I wanted to mention that first. And I want to go next and I want to let you guys know that these 3 plugs, one here, and one right there, these are 125 volt, or in another word, they are 15 amps each. That's why, as I was saying, certain heater or hair dryer can blow this type of the power strip. This one would not have any kind of problems because of the voltage of how they have created it. If you look on the back part of it, you have the name properly written, and then you do have the little LED light. So once this is turned on, you will be able to see this light on. That means these 2 USBs will be working. Each one of these is 2.4 amps, which is 12 watts. That means it's fast charger. This would actually work better than your regular phone chargers. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to demonstrate and show you how this really works. So we have a power strip right here, and once we try to hook it up, and did you see the light just came on? So if I hover over, there you go, you can see that the light is on. So I have a power plug right here. There you go. We got another power plug. So let's go ahead this way. And there you go. That's also connected. And let's go ahead and connect a USB to it. So that way we can place our phone in charge. There you go. So I moved the power strip a little bit so that way we can capture everything. And here you go. We're going to plug it in now. You see that? It starts charging. So now we're going to leave this alone, let it charge, and I want to mention that all the links for this will be available in the bottom of this video. This is very inexpensive to purchase, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.